I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Sienna radio full guide. Start by turning off the van and removing the key, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any shorts. Use trim pry tools to gently remove the dash panels surrounding the radio. Keep screws and clips organized in a tray so nothing gets lost. Unplug antenna and wiring harnesses carefully and set the radio aside for inspection or replacement. When removing the trim panels, work methodically and keep calm. Find and remove any visible screws first, then use a plastic pry tool to release hidden clips. Gently pry at the edges and move around the panel to free each clip without forcing anything. Place removed fasteners in labeled containers to simplify reassembly. If a clip resists, double-check for a missed screw or gently shift to locate the next release point. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof meal prep containers that make car projects easier since they keep snacks tidy and hands clean when working on dashboards, and they fold into tight spaces in the van. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them too. Now let's get back to the video. After the trim is off, unscrew the radio mounting bolts and carefully slide the unit toward you. Support the radio with one hand while disconnecting the antenna and wiring harnesses with the other to prevent dropping it. Inspect each connector for bent pins or corrosion and clean contacts if needed. If you plan to replace the radio, label each plug for easy reconnection. Store the removed radio on a soft surface to avoid scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.